Hello, congratulations on your new website. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload blogs on your website. So the first thing you do is you type in your domain name, followed by /wp-admin, click on enter. And then you type in your username and your password. Sometimes the URL to your admin may differ. So just check your WordPress backend login details and URL. After that, you will be led to the backend of your WordPress site. So you can upload a blog using two methods. You can hover over new and click on post, or you can hover over posts and click on add new, which will direct you to this page. This is where you can edit your blog. So here you have add title, and then you have start writing or type / to choose a block. So add title is where you add your header, the main heading of your blog or your article. And then when you click here, you are able to type the body. This is where your body will be. I'm just typing random things just to show you. And then if you'd like to skip to the next paragraph, you click enter. If you decide that you want a subheading, you click on enter, and then you click this plus sign, add block, and then you choose heading. If heading is not there, you choose advanced heading. So you click on heading, and then you choose which subheading you would like, H2, H3, H4, up to H6. After that, you click below it to write your next paragraph. If you'd like to put in a link to another website or to link to another place within your site, you highlight the word that you'd like to link to, and then you click on add link. Then you enter your URL, the URL that you'd like to link to, or you can copy and paste it. This is just an example. And then you click here to pick whether you would like a user to be taken to another tab after they click on the link. Sponsored is if the link has been paid for by someone else. And no follow is beyond the scope. Unfortunately, the video is not long enough for that. So after you have put in the link, you click on apply, and then your link is in. If you'd like to put in an image or some form of media, you click on enter again, and then you can either click on add block here, or add block here. This one shows more options. Once you click on blocks, you have the text, and then you have the media. If you want an image, you click on image. If you want an audio, if you want a file, say a PDF, you click here. If you want a video, you click here. So I'm going to click on image, which displays a block within your editor. So you can click on upload if you'd like to upload an image straight from your machine, or you can click on media library, which shows you all the images that you have uploaded on your WordPress, and then you can pick one of them and click on select, and your image is in. So the good thing about WordPress is that you don't necessarily need to type in everything in WordPress. You can type in your blog or your article on a Microsoft Word document or any other text editor and simply copy and paste it. It will come with the formatting that it already has from the editor that you were using. So let me give you an example. Just going to delete this. So I'm going to copy one of the articles that I've made previously and paste. So as you can see, it shows everything with the formatting. This is H2. These are the links. Once you are done with your blog and you would like to see how it would look like on your site once it's published, you come to preview and then you click on desktop because you're using a desktop. But if you're using a tablet, you can click that. I don't really find the use of that part. And then this would be how your blog would look. Obviously, it will look different on your website depending on the theme, but you can view how your blog would look by clicking on preview. And then in order to put your blog into a certain category and add a featured image, you click on settings, and here is the author. You can choose whichever author you'd like, depending on whether you have put in an author or not. So you can pick a category and you can pick a featured image. A featured image is the image that will show on your blog page. Basically, the page where all your blogs show, that's where the featured image will show. And then after you have done that and you are happy with everything, then you click on publish. Now make sure that the visibility is public, because public means that everyone who visits your site will see it. There's private, there's password. These all require, both of these require passwords. So you put it on public. Okay. So you put it on public, and then you decide when you want to publish it. If you'd like to publish it immediately, you put it on immediately. If you'd like to publish it a couple of days in the future, you decide on the time. And then after that, after you are happy, with everything. You click on publish and your blog will be published. So now to add an author. You should first save your draft in case you want to do other things and then come back to it later. And then you click on this W and then you scroll down to users and click on add new. This will bring you to adding a new user. So I'm just going to pick something random. Username can be name and surname. And then you put in an email. And then you put in their first name. And then you put in their last name or surname. And then you put in their website if they have one. And then you choose author and click on add new user. This will bring you to this page of all the users you have. And then you find your user and you click on edit. Here you can add additional information such as putting in their username, their Facebook profile, and the description of the user, the biography of the user. Sorry about that. And then you click on update user. After you update the user, you go to your posts, all posts, and then you click on the blog that you have just did. Posts shows all the blogs that you have published or are waiting to publish. And then when you go to author, your user is now there and you can pick your user. And once you're ready to publish, you click on publish and then you click on publish again. And then you can view the post. I'm just going to have it open on another tab. And then this will be your post. As you can see, now Tato is your user and your post is now live on the internet for everybody to see. So if you see that there's something that you did wrong on your post and you do not want it to be published anymore, you can just switch it back to the draft. That is it for the tutorial. If you need any more information, or if you'd like a brand new website, or if you'd like another website, or help with SEO, feel free to visit www.btwmedia.co.za. Thank you very much.